Before I begin my formal remarks, as usual, I will ask to say a few words in the Tauke language and then proceed with the address today. Osaka, waturang sakati nabitileu. Osaka na nganturang ngana tinabitileu. Na bi turang sakan na namas ni Manoa. Ni sana sakora dan beti kona tauke ni hotel la toto kanda mai songo tikina ndai tikona turangana matini parliament wa dengu na nom do sana ra tiko sakana balis les ni matin tu kimni sakana sereti na singendai matenga wi bartaka sakachukana ne memindoka na babinaka mai soli juga ngalala me kimi mai songo juga na ngela baka na sana sakongo me mai maro tegi ndona songo wambo tani na walai tiko malo na tuku bu kibiji ya nando juga na tikina na hotel sango na nom do Manoa. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just acknowledging the traditional landowners on the land on which we gather today, and just wanted to acknowledge the generosity in allowing us to gather here on this wonderful auspicious occasion. To the owners of the Duadua Resort, Mr. Lakshman Gaunda and Savita, to the officials and government officials present here today, invited guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is an absolute honor and a privilege to stand here today on this wonderful occasion that marks a significant milestone, not only for Duadua Resort, but for the Manoa and Rakiraki, and also for tourism in Fiji. Today is also a day where we celebrate Fijian exceptionalism. And if you ask me why, I will summarize it very quickly. Young boy from Lambasa migrates to Ra, falls in love, leaves Fiji in 1989, but had a heart for Fiji and wanted to give back. So what you see today is a dream many years ago. And so on behalf of everyone here today, Lakshman and Savita, thank you for your belief in our country, in returning, doing well in your country of adoption, and then deciding to come back with that newfound wealth and success and give back to your community in Fiji. And if no one has told you, please accept the gratitude of the government and the people of Fiji. Today we celebrate the inauguration of the Duadua signage, the Duadua solar plant, and also the grand opening of this wonderful event center. These remarkable developments are a testament to innovation, commitment, resilience, and the power of individual and community-driven progress. These achievements are not merely about infrastructure. They reflect a broader commitment to sustainable development, economic diversification, and business facilitation, pillars of the government's vision for Fiji's future. As we embrace this transformation, we must always acknowledge the importance of collective effort and planning in shaping a prosperous and resilient nation. The Duadua journey, which I summarized in a few sentences, is an inspiring example of our perseverance and vision can lead to remarkable progress. It underscores the need for economic diversification, a lesson which was really reinforced by the global challenges we faced, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in our economy and highlighting the importance of expanding beyond traditional industries and creating a more resilient framework. The Fijian government has taken proactive steps to diversify the Fijian economy. While agriculture has been a cornerstone of our economy, we have also started expanding in areas such as business process outsourcing, manufacturing, and technologically driven sectors. Through the cooperative model of Solisalivaki, where communities pool resources to invest in shared ventures, we are empowering grassroots enterprises. During my visit to India last year, I witnessed firsthand how cooperatives have thrived as a business model, driving economic independence and community development. We have adopted a similar approach in Fiji, and we will ensure that cooperatives become a mainstay in how government delivers on some of its aspirations when it comes to economic empowerment, and particularly empowerment for the Tauke. In addition, our commitment to supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises is stronger than ever. The government has injected significant funding into MSMEs. In fact, in the last budget, when we calculated, it was around about 120 million that's been poured into small and medium enterprises, recognizing the crucial role in lifting people out of poverty and generating employment. These businesses are the backbone of our economy, and through targeted investment, we are enabling them to thrive and contribute meaningfully to national development. The recent partnership with Google, which saw the launch of undersea cable landings into Fiji, is a major milestone in our digital transformation journey. This initiative is expected to generate substantial revenue and create employment opportunities, reinforcing Fiji's position as a regional hub for connectivity in Fiji and the Pacific. Furthermore, we are facilitating industry diversification by supporting enterprises such as Fiji Water, who have decided to venture into agriculture, and we are actively looking at expanding aquaculture, a sector with immense potential for job creation and export growth. One of the government's top priorities is, of course, business facilitation. We recognize that for businesses to thrive, they need an efficient, streamlined regulatory environment. In the past, business registration and permit approvals were plagued with inefficiencies, files went missing, people went missing, processes were duplicated, and approvals delayed. To address these challenges, the Ministry of Trade, which I am honored to lead, has been working through its reform unit to begin the streamlining of all business processes across government. We have embraced technology to ensure that businesses can submit applications online, allowing all relevant agencies to review and comment in real time. This is, we are of course at the beginning of this process, and in the years to come, Fiji will see the actual benefit of this commitment. This digital transformation will eliminate bureaucratic red tape, enhance transparency, and expedite approvals, ultimately making it easier for businesses to establish and grow. Moreover, we are also working with the Ministry of Immigration and its new minister to continue to refine our immigration processes. The automation of visa applications has already begun. And it is a personal goal, if you like, is to try and automate the entire system in less than 12 months. Last year, we successfully automated the work permit process, reducing processing times and inefficiency. And these reforms are, of course, part of a broader agenda to make Fiji more business-friendly and investor-ready. As we drive economic transformation, we must also ensure that our legal framework is modern, relevant, and aligned to best global practice. The government is actively engaged in reviewing key legislation that affects businesses, workers, and the overall economic landscape. One of our major areas of focus is, of course, labor laws. And we are working very closely with stakeholders, including the private sector and unions, to review and update labor legislation to better reflect the needs of the 21st century. The objective is to create a balanced legal environment that protects workers' rights while fostering a competitive business climate. Additionally, we are reviewing the trade and investment laws to ensure that they facilitate rather than hinder economic growth. These reforms, to be sure, will take a bit of time, but will create a more predictable, transparent business environment, encouraging both local and foreign investment. Sustainability, I thought I'd just talk a bit about sustainability because the investments made today reflect government's ambitions in sustainability. Sustainability today is no longer just an option. It is a necessity. The commissioning of the Duadua solar plant is a landmark achievement in Fiji's journey towards renewable energy. As we transition to a low-carbon economy, projects like this play a critical role in reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and promoting environmental sustainability. Duadua Solar Energy Pte. Limited, a company that's been created through the investment, is leading the way with innovative solar energy systems that integrates 182 solar panels organized into 13 channels. This facility generates over 600 volts of electricity, supplying 100 kilowatts of AC power daily to the Duadua resort. With a battery backup capacity of around 215 kilowatts per day, excess energy generated on sunny days is stored for nighttime use, ensuring a continuous, stable, and sustainable supply of power. Additionally, the ability to exchange surplus energy with the EFL grid enhances efficiency and overall reliability of our EFL national grid. The government is committed to expanding renewable energy initiatives across the country. And you will be hearing a lot more from EFL in the months to come. Let me just say that the green transition in Fiji is well underway. We are working with international partners and private sector investors to scale up solar, wind and hydro projects, even hydrogen projects, and maybe ethanol, ensuring that sustainable energy solutions become the foundation of Fiji's development into the future. Finally, in conclusion, today's event is not just about Duadua. In part, it talks about the future of Fiji. It exemplifies what can be achieved when vision, innovation, commitment, and collaboration come together. The Duadua Event Center will serve as a hub for gatherings, celebrations, and economic activities, while the solar power plant represents a bold step towards a greener and more resilient future. As we move forward, let us continue to embrace diversification, innovation, and sustainability. The government of Fiji, your government, remains steadfast in its commitment to fostering an enabling environment where businesses can flourish, communities can prosper, and future generations can thrive. To the team at Duadua and to the owners of Duadua and the local community and all those who have contributed to this remarkable achievement, congratulations. May this be a beginning of even greater success. Nakasakawalevu, thank you for your attention. May God bless you all. May God bless the Manoa Ra, and may God bless the people of Fiji. Naka.
Rakiraki kumbu na niku.
Mata.
Naka. Right.
Siapa ya?
Naka.
Naka. No, mau debu. Naka. Naka.
Naka.
Thank you.
So this one is just made from the rain tree.
Naka. Oh, Naka.
Thank you, thank you.
Naka.
Naka.